I just want to show how to use offline mode for Dairyland Sample Management Center. The Sample Management Center runs on a web browser. In this case, I'm using Safari. The trick with web browsers is they're not very good at knowing when they have a poor internet connection or when they're actually offline. To make sure you're in offline mode, you have to throw the browser off the screen or close it. Then put your phone in airplane mode. When you reopen it, now the browser knows it's offline and our offline functionality will be enabled. So here we'll just submit a sample, same as we would in online mode. We'll click submit. Everything looks just as it would normally. The thing that's different in offline mode is you'll see the status counter there has a 1 in it that tells us I have one sample that's saved offline. We'll add one more here. Alright, now we've got 2 offline samples. So that data is saved offline. We still need to submit it when we get back to reception or a good internet connection. So we'll close our browser again, turn airplane mode off, reopen it. Now we are in online mode. Go back to that status page. There's a button at the bottom here that says submit offline samples. You can see it has our count of 2. We'll get a message that tells us when they've been successfully saved. Now those samples are successfully submitted and our counter is back to 0. If you have any questions on using offline mode or run into some issues, feel free to contact anyone at Dairyland Labs and we can help you work through those.